In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Bili Bili app on Android phone. So first, I going on google.com. Then here I type bilibili.com. Then click on enter. Then you are going to this website. Now please translate your page, and it's going to English. Then doing this your mobile to desktop site. This is easier for download. Then click on this download client. Then this is a scanner, so you need to download first this scanner, then download image. Okay, now it's already done. Again going on Google, then here I type online QR code scanner, then go to any website, then upload your targeted QR code, this one, then click on done. Okay, so you can see this is a link. You need to just click this link, then again click on download. You can see it's a download file again, so it's already started. When you click on download, you can see download this file. You can see it's already 50% done download, so I'm waiting few second or minute. Now click on package installer, then wait few second. Again click install, then click on open. Then you can see welcome to Bili Bili, then click on accept. Wow, you can see it's already open. So this is not my birthday, so I just continue and click on this is my age, it's false. So wow, now you can enjoy your this app perfectly. This is the method how you can install Bili Bili app on Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please must be subscribe the channel and like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below.